Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are weekly video segments or snippets designed to be short and to the point, but they are an extension of our monthly newsletter called Sidebar, and that's sound information designed to educate you beyond a reasonable doubt. And if you're not already on our distribution list, please look down here to see how to sign up for that, and we promise not to spam you. But in the meantime, this week's Wednesday Wisdom is about updating your beneficiaries. So when I say beneficiaries in this sense, I'm talking about on those accounts or those assets that have a beneficiary designation. Typically, we're talking about your bank accounts, which would have a transfer on death or pay on death beneficiary designation. So you're naming someone to take over that account after you pass away. And then we have those other types of accounts like your retirement accounts, your IRAs, your 401ks or 403bs or 457 plans or any other type of pension plan, your annuities, your life insurance and things along those lines. So where you have, where you name a person to receive that benefit or the value of that asset after you're gone. And it's also a good idea to not only name a primary beneficiary, but name a contingent beneficiary. So in case where that primary beneficiary may predecease you and you don't get a chance to update that it will automatically fall to your contingent beneficiary or the backup or the secondary beneficiary. And the reason I'm bringing this up is that some people sometimes want to list their estate as the beneficiary of their life insurance policy, for example, or of a retirement account. And that could be fine, but you really want to look at the bigger picture. And typically, when you're talking about these types of assets that are non-probate assets, the main attraction or one of the big benefits or advantages is that these assets pass to your beneficiaries without having to go through the probate court process, which can take months and even years before beneficiaries receive anything through that process. So again, while it's not wrong to name your estate as a beneficiary in with some of these types of assets, it may not be the wisest thing, but that's really something you would want to sit down with your estate planning attorney and talk through when looking at your estate plan holistically and not just, one or two single items of the plan. So with that said, you just want to make sure that the intended beneficiaries are listed as you wish, and that you're looking at that and updating it whenever there's a major life event change or something going on, if you get married or get divorced or have additional children, or again, if certain beneficiaries pass away before you do, you want to keep looking at those things and keep them updated as much as possible. So with that said, I think I forgot to set my timer, but I'm sure my time is up for this week, and we will see you next time. And as always, thanks for watching.